How to buy $MOBY. MOBY AI token crypto coin How to by BitMart XT Agent Solana SOL Blockchain Raydium MOBYAI X. Hey everyone, Logan here, back with another video on a trending cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into the MOBY AI token, ticker MOBY. This token has been making waves in the crypto space, especially on the Solana blockchain, and it's showing some massive growth and excitement. Let's go through everything you need to know about MOBY AI, how to buy it, and what makes it special. What is MOBY AI token? MOBY AI is a newly launched token based on Solana, and it's gaining traction quickly. It was designed around MOBY Agent, which aims to offer artificial intelligence-powered tools for crypto trading. MOBY AI is powered by a variety of projects like Asset Dash, Whale Watch Alert, and Griffin.com. The goal behind the token is to leverage AI to help users with crypto management, trading, and other valuable utilities. The token has been listed recently on two major centralized exchanges, XT.com and BitMart, both as of January 14, 2025. This has propelled its market presence, and it's currently gaining significant attention. Key information about MOBY AI token, MOBY, blockchain, Solana, total supply, 1 billion tokens, current supply, approximately 999,999,244 tokens, deflationary, decimals, 6 decimal places, price, around 4 cents per token, market cap, $40 million at the time of writing, trading volume, 84.6 million. Liquidity, $935,000 worth of liquidity on Raydium, with 99.79% of it locked and burned. Trending. The token has been trending number 8 on Dex Screener in the Solana section. How to buy MOBY AI token, MOBY. Option 1. Buy on centralized exchanges, XT.com or BitMart. Create an account. First, create an account on either XT.com or BitMart. You can download their apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or use their web platforms. Deposit funds. After setting up your account, deposit USDT, Tether, or another supported currency into your account. Search for the token. Go to the trade section on either XT.com or BitMart and search for MOBY or MOBY AI in the search bar. Place your order. Once you find the token, you can either place a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy at your desired price. Confirm your purchase. Review the order details, confirm the purchase, and the tokens will be added to your exchange wallet. Store your tokens. You can keep your tokens in the exchange wallet, but for extra security, consider transferring them to a private wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Option 2. Buy on decentralized exchanges, Raydium. If you prefer to use a decentralized exchange, DEX, you can buy MOBY AI via Raydium, which is available on the Solana blockchain. Set up a wallet. Download a Solana-compatible wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask with the Solana network enabled. Fund your wallet with SOL, Solana. Access Raydium. Open your wallet and go to the dApp section. Find Raydium or navigate to Raydium.io in your browser. Find the MOBY AI token. Use the contract address available on the MOBY AI Twitter to find MOBY AI, MOBY, on Raydium. Swap SOL for MOBY. After selecting the MOBY AI token, swap SOL for MOBY. You may need to set slippage to 0.5% to complete the transaction. Pay gas fees. When buying via Raydium, you'll need to pay a small gas fee in SOL, but there's no slippage required for the transaction. Security and audits. When it comes to the MOBY AI token, it's important to know that the project has undergone security audits to ensure a safe investment for users. According to Dex Tools, the token has passed an audit by QuickNL Security, showing that the contract is verified. There's no honeypot, meaning you can buy and sell freely. The contract tax is not modifiable, and it's not freezable. However, it's worth noting that it received an 82.99 score on Dex Tools due to limited information available, including the lack of a dedicated website and Telegram channel. Market trends and tokenomics. As of now, MOBY AI is showing some impressive figures. 5,669% increase in the past 24 hours. $84.6 million trading volume in just one day. Over 1,400 transactions today alone. 99.79% liquidity locked and burned. The token has a deflationary model, meaning that as more tokens are burned or removed from circulation, the value of the remaining tokens could rise. With its large market cap and growing community, MOBY AI could continue to trend upwards in the coming days. Community and support. MOBY AI is gaining a significant following with 9,042 Twitter followers as of January 2025. 85 posts on Twitter, sharing updates and announcements. Active presence on xt.com and BitMart, with their Twitter accounts helping to spread the word. Final thoughts. The MOBY AI token, MOBY, is an exciting new project built on Solana with a unique AI-driven crypto ecosystem. It's trending strongly, with large exchanges like xt.com and BitMart supporting it. The token offers strong liquidity, impressive trading volume, and positive audits, making it an interesting option for investors in the crypto space. Before you invest, always do your own research, DYOR, as crypto can be volatile. Make sure to use the referral codes in the description to get extra benefits when signing up for exchanges. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for daily updates on the latest tokens and crypto news. Peace out.